Hey there, everybody! Welcome to this exciting journey where we dive deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Let's talk about something that's changing our world faster than a cheetah on a sugar rush. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short. It's a term that's been buzzing around for a while now, but what exactly does it mean? AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. These intelligent systems can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI sounds complicated. And you're not alone in feeling that way. The concept of machines thinking and learning like humans can be a bit daunting. But hold your horses, because it's not as scary as it sounds. In fact, AI is designed to make our lives easier, not harder. It's all about enhancing our capabilities and helping us solve problems more efficiently. In fact, AI is already a big part of our lives, whether we realize it or not. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, AI is working behind the scenes to make our daily routines smoother and more enjoyable. Remember those catchy tunes Spotify recommends? That's AI working its magic. It analyzes your listening habits and suggests songs you might like, making your music experience more personalized and enjoyable. It's like having your very own DJ who knows exactly what you want to hear, even before you do. Or how about those super helpful chatbots that answer your questions online? These AI-powered assistants are designed to provide quick and accurate responses, saving you time and effort. Yep, you guessed it, AI again. These chatbots are constantly learning and improving, making them more efficient and effective at helping you with your queries. From the shows we binge watch on Netflix to the directions we get from Google Maps, AI is everywhere, making our lives easier and more entertaining. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your preferences and helps you navigate through your day. But here's the thing. Just like that delicious chocolate cake in your fridge, too much of a good thing can sometimes leave us feeling a little overwhelmed. With so much technology at our fingertips, it's easy to feel like we're drowning in a sea of information. That's why it's important to learn how to navigate this exciting world of AI without losing our minds. By understanding how AI works and how it can benefit us, we can make informed decisions and use technology to our advantage. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the AI jungle. We'll explore the ins and outs of AI, from its basic principles to its most advanced applications. We'll explore what AI is all about, how it's transforming various industries, and what the future holds for this incredible technology. We'll also talk about the importance of using it responsibly. As with any powerful tool, it's crucial to understand the ethical implications and ensure that AI is used for the greater good. And most importantly, we'll learn how to stay sane amidst all the tech chaos. By finding a balance between embracing technology and maintaining our well-being, we can thrive in this digital age. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Okay, let's break down this whole AI thing in a way that even your grandma can understand. Imagine teaching a computer to think like a human, but way faster and without needing coffee breaks. That's AI in a nutshell. Basically, we're talking about creating smart systems that can learn from experience, solve problems, and even understand our quirky human language. It's like giving a brain to machines, allowing them to do all sorts of amazing things. How does it work, you ask? Well, it's all about data, my friends. AI algorithms feast on massive amounts of information, like a kid in a candy store. They use this data to spot patterns, make predictions, and constantly improve their performance. Think of it like this. The more data you feed an AI system, the smarter it becomes. It's like going to school, but for computers. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is poised to revolutionize countless industries. So, yeah, it's a pretty big deal. With great power comes great responsibility, right? That's especially true when it comes to AI, folks. As we hand over more and more control to intelligent machines, it's crucial to make sure we're using this powerful technology ethically and responsibly. We need to ask ourselves some tough questions. How do we prevent AI from perpetuating biases? How do we ensure AI is used for good and not for harm? These are important conversations we need to have as a society. Think of it like this. Just because we teach a computer to do something doesn't necessarily mean we need to make sure our values, our morals, and our commitment to fairness are baked into every step of the AI development process. It's up to all of us to shape the future of AI and ensure it's used to create a better, more equitable world for everyone. Section 4. Overwhelmed by tech? You're not alone. Raise your hand if you've ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of notifications, updates, and endless news feeds. It's a common feeling in today's digital age. With every ping, buzz, and alert, it seems like our devices are demanding more and more of our attention. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this hyper-connected world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the constant barrage of technology. Every day, we're bombarded with information from all directions: emails, social media, news apps, and more. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose. Our brains are wired to process information at a certain pace. However, the rapid influx of data from our devices can overwhelm our cognitive capacities. This constant stimulation can make it difficult to focus, think clearly, and even relax. But with the rise of smartphones, social media, and now AI, it's like we're constantly drinking from a fire hose of data. The pressure to stay updated and connected can be immense, leading to feelings of stress and anxiety. This can lead to tech overload, a real phenomenon that can leave us feeling stressed, anxious, and completely burnt out. The constant need to be on and available can take a toll on our mental health. And it's not just the sheer volume of information we're dealing with, it's also the feeling that we need to be on all the time. The expectation to respond immediately to messages, emails, and notifications can be overwhelming. We're expected to respond to emails instantly, keep up with the latest trends on social media, and stay informed about current events. This constant connectivity can make it hard to disconnect and unwind. Keep up with the latest trends on social media and stay informed about current events. This constant connectivity can make it hard to disconnect and unwind. And oh yeah, somehow manage to have a life offline too. It's exhausting. Balancing our digital lives with our real-world responsibilities can feel like an impossible task. But hey, there's good news. We don't have to be slaves to our devices. By setting boundaries and being mindful of our tech use, we can reclaim our time and mental space. There are things we can do to take back control and find our digital zen. Simple steps like turning off non-essential notifications, setting specific times for checking emails, and taking regular breaks from screens can make a big difference. Remember, it's okay to unplug and take a break from the digital world. Your mental health is worth it. Section 5. Digital mindfulness. Finding your balance in a tech-savvy world. In today's fast-paced, technology-driven environment, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and disconnected from the present moment. Our devices, while incredibly useful, can often become sources of stress and distraction. But fear not, for there is a way to navigate this digital landscape with grace and intention. So how do we survive and thrive in this tech-driven world without losing our minds? The answer lies in embracing digital mindfulness. This practice encourages us to be more aware of how we interact with technology and to make conscious choices that enhance our well-being rather than detract from it. Enter digital mindfulness, my friends. It's a concept that invites us to be present, intentional, and mindful about our relationship with technology. By doing so, we can create a healthier balance between our digital and real lives. It's all about being present, intentional, and mindful about our relationship with technology. This means taking a step back and evaluating how we use our devices. Are they serving us, or are we becoming slaves to them? By asking ourselves these questions, we can begin to make more informed choices. Think of it like this. Just like we need to nourish our bodies with healthy food and exercise, we also need to nourish our minds by creating healthy tech habits. Start by setting boundaries. For instance, designate specific times of the day when you will check your emails or social media rather than constantly being available. We also need to nourish our minds by creating healthy tech habits. Start by setting boundaries. Designate tech-free zones in your home, like the dinner table or the bedroom. These spaces should be reserved for relaxation and connection with loved ones, free from the distractions of screens. Designate tech-free zones in your home, like the dinner table or the bedroom. This simple step can help you reclaim your time and foster deeper connections with those around you. When you're spending time with loved ones, put your phone on silent mode or even turn it off completely. Put your phone on silent mode when you're spending time with loved ones and resist the urge to constantly check social media. It's important to be fully present in these moments, as they are the ones that truly enrich our lives. And resist the urge to constantly check social media. Instead, focus on the people and experiences right in front of you. By doing so, you'll find that your interactions become more meaningful and your stress levels decrease. Remember, it's okay to disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with the real world. Take a break from your screens and engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Whether it's going for a walk in nature, reading a book, or simply sitting quietly and reflecting, these moments of disconnection are vital for our mental health. Take a walk in nature, read a book, or simply enjoy a few moments of quiet contemplation. These activities can help you recharge and gain a fresh perspective on life. They remind us of the beauty and simplicity that exists outside of our digital devices, or simply enjoy a few moments of quiet contemplation. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you'll find that you become more centered and less reactive to the constant demands of the digital world. By being more mindful of our tech consumption, we can reclaim our time, reduce stress, and live more fulfilling lives. Start by analyzing your screen time and identifying areas where you can cut back. This simple act of awareness can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We can reclaim our time, reduce stress, and live more fulfilling lives. Engage in activities that promote relaxation and mindfulness, such as practicing yoga, meditating, or simply enjoying a cup of tea without any digital distractions, and live more fulfilling lives. By making these small but impactful changes, we can create a healthier relationship with technology and lead more balanced, joyful lives. So, take a step back, breathe, and embrace the art of digital mindfulness.